Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers. I'm your host Javed and you're watching Javed Vlogs. Today we are going to unbox our new drone. So it's a medium quality drone. So we just bought to get some training how to fly it and how to make small clips. So let's unbox it. Once I get fully trained, I will go for a more professional one and I'm gonna show you guys again. So this is basically VN10 Eagle Recon drone. So let's unbox it. There it is. This is book. Drone. This is battery. It's only one battery out there. It's a battery cover. Basically you can put battery inside, then you put the charging port. That is controller. Extra propellers. Safety fence so you can put around the propellers like this or this. We will do it later. 4 of them, and charging cable. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Have a good night. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog. And in my next vlog I'm gonna show you how to fly it.